today's D-Day officially, so the Jeep we're just going to take off, have a drive around, see what we can see. Hopefully it performs okay. So nothing major, but maybe follow Jeeps as you can see just going by.
Yeah, well, I was asked to make these cushion covers a week before we came, and I basically just knocked these up just to cover his beloved Jeep cushions, basically.
First drive went well, no issues yet, so we had a lap of Cairns town. Feels good, yeah, still don't trust it, but it's still working, so I'm just hoping it lasts and survives. I just need to get more confidence in it, in the engine. Getting a lot of interest obviously in the Jeep with all the signatures and that, but I'm sure there'll be a few people who'll have a look around it.